take a good look at it because she will be completely changed when we pick her up.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Car Wars YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a bunch of little miscellaneous pieces, but the ones that make the car look really good. So stay tuned. So the plan for today is, starting from the front, we want to install the lip, the calipers. This gray, we're not digging it too much. We are gonna paint it a yellow. This is the yellow that Peter has bought. I mean, this is crazy bright, but it is a little bit darker, so that should look pretty good. I think it's gonna pop right behind the black wheels. Also, we're gonna be installing the side skirts. But we did get our wheels back. We actually dropped them off at the shop. They're gonna be mounting the tires on. I set up an appointment with Vadim for the tint. He does a really good job, so we're gonna drop that off to him. And last, we gotta get the alignment done. Once we get all these little projects knocked out, this thing's pretty much gonna be road ready. So we're gonna start off with the calipers, so let's go to the time lapse. Alright guys, so we got this caliper complete. I mean, look at that. That looks so good. The contrast between the two colors, that blue and the yellow, it looks so sick. But we went ahead and we got all the rest of them also painted. Got the rears, got the other front. So it is looking really good. So we're gonna do a couple more coats. I think we're gonna do a total of like 6. That way we get some really good coverage and a good layer of paint. Also, we are spraying the little center caps for the rims. They were chrome. They are going black. Look at that. While we're waiting for the calipers to dry, we are gonna start on the lip. Peter is gonna grab that lip. Look at all that dust it's been collecting.
Dusty. Well, that's okay.
That's okay. So we're gonna start mocking it up. We actually have to drill some holes. The factory said that there's supposed to be some holes, but I mean, they're not here, so we're gonna have to drill them so we can use the original screws. And then they actually provide some self-tappers for like the corners. So we are gonna start mocking it up. So we got a pretty sick idea. We have the original lip, the Grand Sport lip, and we're just gonna flip it upside down and just mark the holes, drill them, and I think we should be good. The lip is on, guys. Check this out. I mean, that just completely changes the look of the front end. That looks so sick. I mean, I'm loving it. Oh, and we took the plastic off for the caliper. Check this out. Man, that looks good. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put this thing on the ground. But first, let's get those side skirts on and see how this baby looks. And the side skirts are on. Look at that. That looks so sweet. Made the whole car a little bit wider. So it is pretty much complete, guys. We got the lip. We got the calipers painted. The side skirts. Let me give you guys a quick walk around. I mean, this thing is starting to look sick. It is coming together really nice. I mean, I'm so excited. It is 2 a.m. right now. I am so excited to just keep working on this thing, but unfortunately we do not have our wheels, so we're just gonna have to wrap it up for tonight and pick it back up tomorrow. All right, guys, we are back. Let's get right back to it. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is put the little stickers onto the calipers. They look sick. These are the stickers that we got. We need to slap them on. So look at that little sticker. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Yes, sir. Look at that. 1 down, 3 more to go. That is such a hot color. Look at that. Ooh. There we go. So the calipers are done, and check this out, guys. The wheels are here. Peter went ahead and got the tires put on. We got them balanced, so they are ready to go on the car. These are the 2 rears. Then we got the front, and the other front is somewhere. I don't know where it's at. But let's throw these bad boys on and see how it looks. So if you get your wheels powder coated, tell the guys not to powder coat that center hub right there, because once they put that paint on, you can't really stick your wheels on because they're hub centric. So you might have to just sand it down. So we're gonna file it down right now and hope that works. All right, guys, got the first wheel on. Look at that. Those calipers, they just pop. That looks so good. Let's keep going. We got it down on its own paws. Look at that. That looks so sick. It still needs to set a little bit. You gotta drive it, it gotta set. But we checked, Peter went in and checked. It is actually lowered all the way on the factory bolts. So we need to go on a little bit of test drive, and I think it's gonna go down some more. It should go down some more. But now it is time for alignment.
All right, good morning, everyone. We are back, and right now we are at a shop getting alignment done. Here she is. The shop tech is about to start on it, so. Ooh, lights are on. Okay guys, so this is what our alignment looks like right now, but it's fully adjustable, so we're gonna see if we can get it all into green. So he's underneath doing magic. He knows just the right stuff to turn, the right stuff to twist to make it happen. He's been doing it for like, how many years, Ivan? 8 years of experience, guys. Look at that. Stuff's already starting to turn green. Look at that. Everything is starting to fall into place. He's still adjusting, but guys, check that out. It's all green. think here's a before and a after. Oh wait, that's the rear. We haven't gotten to the rear yet. Check that out, guys. Everything in spec. So tell us, Bosch, what's up?
Everything came out really good. The camera went in, the caster, the front rear, everything turned out really nice, and all back to spec. You're good to go.
All right. Tell us a little bit on your little diagrams.
So the rear, the camber was out, we fixed that. The toe was out, we fixed that. So now it's all pointing straight. On the front, we fixed the camber, we fixed your caster, and your toe. So you're all back. You're good.
Awesome. That's sweet. That's good to know that this thing is all back to spec. So alignment is done. Next thing, we gotta drop it off at the tint place. That's where I'm gonna be taking it right now. We are here dropping it off for tint. Take a good look at it because she will be completely changed when we pick her up. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. We're gonna drop it off. It's gonna be a few days until it gets done tinted. Stay tuned because next video we will be picking it up, changing out the airbag, all the final bits and pieces, just fine tuning it, and you guys will get to see the final product.
Believe it or not, it is gonna be done. That's gonna be something.
Yeah, and I have a feeling this thing's gonna look good because even right now, I drove it a little bit. Man, it looks sick. So like, comment, subscribe. You guys ask any questions if you guys have whatever you have about the car, and stay tuned for more videos.